Unlock and open the door that you plan to remove. One person should securely hold the exterior side of the door in place during this process. Climb a ladder to view the hinge pin plate at the top of the cabinet. Remove the screws, taking care not to strip them. Gently wiggle the pin plate off the top part of the door. Climb down the ladder and assist with lifting the door up off its lower pin. To replace the door, reverse this process. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to IWA Customer Support.